What are they hoping to have achieved?
Yeah. I mean, it's totally different for everyone, right? I mean, we've seen that in our first 4 or 5 projects this past year, right? Yeah. I mean, it's as different as the life experiences and the personalities of every single client we've had. Um, if it's gone famously well, right? I think it's at least equally about the internal change in the owners, isn't it?
It is. It is. We've seen some tremendous success stories with almost everybody we work with. It's massive transformations.
Personal confidence, just the capability to make decisions, and you can see it in their eyes, and you can see it in the way that they're making decisions. They're not hesitating anymore. Um, Watching behaviors that say, hey Susan, or hey Scott, I went step by step through this, like you said, and it worked. It's one thing to recognize, man, I know that'll work, but when you start actually doing it and it does, it corroborates everything you've been thinking and desiring and wanting to do, and then suddenly here it is, it's happening. And your self-confidence grows. I think that's for everyone that has had a great success in that way.